What's up, Bougie baby? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. And today we're doing this fall glam look. Yes, my friends, get into it. Eggy, period, purr. Anyways, yeah, we just did this fall look. I went in depth and we did a lot of talking and a lot of tutorializing. So I hope you enjoy it. So if you want to see how I got this look, we're just gonna let the clip play. All right. I had like a whole conversation and the camera wasn't even recording. Am I on drugs? I don't know. Anyways, but I was telling y'all, like, don't be alarmed by the way I look. Like, my lips are discolored and I don't know why. Like, I don't smoke weed, never smoked weed a day in my life, but all of a sudden my lips are turning black and I don't know what's happening here. So I have a doctor's appointment scheduled to figure it out. I truly and honestly think it was from when I did that lip swatch video 2 weeks ago, and I used a baby wipe to clean my lips because I was being lazy and didn't go get my makeup wipes, and I think the baby wipe was really tough and tugging on my lip and maybe bruised them. But yeah, hopefully that's what it is and it's not anything serious, because I just can't handle much more from 2020. Like 2020 has just like done a number on all of our lives, and like I'm just like over it, you know, like it's just been too much. I'm just like really over it. So anyway, we're gonna do our eyes, and obviously it's a fall look because we deep in the fall. The wind is blowing, the temperatures is dropping. Girl, get your sweaters and your candles and let's get into it. So one of my favorite fall colors is like green hues. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some green hues of green and things that complement said green hues. I like to do my makeup looks from the top down. So let's start here right underneath the brow bone, and we just want to highlight right there. So you're just gonna take a light shade and just pack it right underneath where your arch is. Packing and macking. I'm using the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know why this palette has so much controversy. Like, I F's with it, and I always did F with it when it came out. I think people were saying that it had like hella fallout or whatever, and the shadows were like really powdery or whatever. And while that may be the case, like, girl, get you a good primer and move on about your business, because the colors in this palette is really good. They're really good. They are really good. I love them. Okay, so once you've laid that down, I use a packing brush, by the way. I think this was a part of the Holy Trinity that I talked about in my brush video. I'll link that so y'all can watch a beginner's guide to brushes. But yep, you want to use that. Then you want to go in with a blending brush. It's like a grayish green tone, and it's called Destiny. And I take that right underneath where you place that brow bone color, right? So right underneath. And I'm packing that color on first. You always just want to pack on the color that you want. And once you got it in the position and in the placement that you're looking for, then you want to blend out. But right now we're just packing it and placing it where we want it to be, getting the right amount of intensity, and then we're going to start blending. So be very controlled with your blending. Blend a little into that brow bone just so that you don't have any harsh lines, but we don't want to take away the brow bone color. And then you can start blending down in windshield wiper motions. That blending brush is also a part of the Holy Trinity, which I'll link below so you can blend. Okay, so now that we've done that, we want to add our next layer of color. And I'm going to take a like a forest green color. And it does have like a small hint of blue in it. So you just want to blend it like so. Like that. Like Tabitha say. And you just want to start blending it in. So we made that C across there, right? And you just want to blend in that same direction that you placed it. Blending it into that forest, into that lighter green that we had placed earlier. Comment down below if y'all like voiceovers or if y'all would rather me play music. Or not voiceovers. Comment down below if you like silence during these parts. Or y'all just really be wanting the music. Because I don't be knowing what y'all like. Comment now. Do it. I'm going to have to blend down there anyway. So I might as well drag it. Okay. So now that you've blended it there, you want to go on the inner corner. So let's make these and just make these connect right here. Okay, so once we blended that, it kind of looks a mess now, but trust the process, my dears. With a flat brush, we're going to take this color. It's like a greenish gold almost. I don't know. It's iconic. I love it. Out of the same Subculture palette. So what we're going to do is kind of like a halo eye to my end. So right there in that middle piece where you don't have really anything, you kind of want to carve out this like upside down crescent. Okay. And then drag it down. And we love the way it looks. We love this for us, girls. I had already put on my foundation. Obviously, it's the Glam Galore Club foundation. It's what I always use. And so now we're going to conceal. This is also Glam Galore Club's new full coverage concealer. I don't think it's out yet, but it's coming out soon. So just get your coins ready. And just know that Suzie told you about it first. And since Suzie told you about it first, go ahead and use my coupon code when you buy. GURUSB. This look is really pretty. Have I been this far back the whole time, y'all? If I have, forgive me. Charge it to my head and not my game. I mean, charge it to my head and not my heart. Yeah, there you go. Let's note how flawlessly that concealer blended out. I mean, just flawless. Okay, so now I'm going to set that using my Glam Galore Club powder. And this is their Tinted loose powder in number 3. And you know what I realized? Because I was doing my foundation while I was on the phone. I did not set my primer with powder underneath. So I am definitely going to look like an oil slick later. Good thing I ain't got nowhere to go. Happy quarantine. Just hit all those spots that you just put concealer on. One idea I've been recently tossing around is going live on Facebook again. Before I was consistent on YouTube, I was going live like once a week. I'm thinking of doing them during lunchtime. That way it's not a huge commitment for me. Y'all know I got the rowdiest children in the world. So like that way I could do it while they're not here. And it's not really interfering with work because I'm doing it at lunchtime. It's gonna be an hour. So it's not, again, not interfering with work. Because it's only an hour. So yeah, I think that'll be fun. So if I'm doing that, then y'all need to go follow me on my Facebook page. And it's Brushwork by Suzie Bougie on Facebook. Like my page. Let's be family across all platforms. And then, you know, I could probably, I wonder if you can you go live from Instagram on your computer? Well, duh, stupid. I could go live from Facebook on my computer and then go live from my phone on Instagram. That way IG and Facebook get in the lives. And it's just like a boom, pow. How you like me now? So to contour, I used the CoverGirl TruBlend undercover concealer, and I think this is an Espresso. It is. So I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place to Hair and Blush palette, volume 1, and I'm taking Neo, which is like a reddish bronzy color, and I just take that right on top of my contour and just kind of blow her into the center of my face. Now I want to add blush. I think for this kind of look, orange goes really well. Okay, so this is the completed look. What y'all think? I likes. It's a nice fall glam. There you go. It's fall glam. The title of the video is gonna be fall glam. So yeah, went for a new lip because we got a lot of drama up here. We don't want to have drama down here as well. We don't want them to fight each other. They need to be friends and work together, you know. Yeah, and the good thing is this lip gloss actually masked my stupid colorful lips. This is NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. So yeah. Anyways, I'll put everything that I used down in the description box. Please comment down below and let me know what your favorite fall colors are. Would you rock this look? You should. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with a friend who loves makeup. Or maybe someone who wants to get into makeup. Or maybe someone who's already into makeup and they just want to get into it a little bit more. Or maybe somebody who just wants to be entertained by me. I don't know. Share it with somebody. Anyways, do that. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload. Because if you're not, then you'll have to go search my name to go find my videos. And then if you have to do that, it's a lot of words. And I'll be trying to save you time. So help me help you find me easier. Okay, thank you. Bye.